my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're returning. Today's video is my Do's and Don'ts challenge with Sarah Mac Art. She was nice enough to let me challenge her after I got challenged by Fiona Art. Okay, so what Sarah gave me was my do's are Dutch pour, hence the reason for the hair dryer, rectangle canvas, 18 by 24 is a rectangle, and I must use two metallics, so I am using a deep gold by metallic deep gold by Amsterdam, and I'm also using a metallic cobalt blue by Artist Loft. Okay, my don'ts are no solid color base. She told me that I could do a split base of some sort, or three colors, you know, but I'm going to go with just two. No Payne's Gray. I wanted to put that in there because I know, but I can't. Okay, and then no more than 7 colors. So my 7 colors are Artist Loft White, the Flow Acrylic mixed with water, the Artist Loft Black Flow Acrylic mixed with water, the Metallic Deep Gold by Amsterdam, Metallic Cobalt Blue by Amsterdam, Venetian Rose by Amsterdam, Reflex Rose by Amsterdam. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, counting because I wasn't sure. And a Prussian Blue by Liquitex Basics. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put my base down and blow it out. I wanted to say one thing about this before I start blowing it out. This is the Berta hairdryer, linked down below in the description. Doink, doink, doink. And then this is a zip tie that is over the cool button to hold it in continuously, which works great for me because I can't keep my finger on it. That trick was told by Christina Welch Art to acrylic painting with Julie E. And then Julie E told me. So thank you, Christina, and thank you, Julie E, for giving me this little hint. Okay, now I'm going to put my base down, and everywhere that I use the hairdryer, I will mute it out a little bit because I don't want it to be too loud. So here is my black, and I wanted to do, instead of a straight line, I wanted to do a curve. So let's see how this works. Oh, and I don't know if I made up enough paint or not. So if I didn't, I may have to mix more paint, but I'll probably end up doing that off camera. Okay, time to mute the hairdryer. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I took my time because obviously my paints were a little thick, so I took my time with it, trying to get it all covered. Now I got to do the black, so I know I will be speeding this up. So now let me do my white. Okay, I got a little overzealous with the hairdryer there, so let me see if I can get rid of these little white spots. Oh, this is terrible. So I'm just going to drip a little bit more black paint on top of it. Oh, I have done maybe, I think, 2 Dutch pours before. One of them was in resin, which resin to me has always been easier than acrylics. Okay, let me blow that part out just a little bit. Okay, I could stand here fixing this probably all day, but I don't want to. So let me just fix my sides, and then I'm going to put my colors down, because that will probably take less time than putting my base coat down. Okay. Whatever spots on the side I missed, I can go back and do them later. Okay. Now time for the colors, thank God. Okay, first I'm going to put down a line of Prussian blue. Right here. Then I'm going to put next to it, let me shake this bottle up. Some of my paints were already in bottles, some of them weren't. Okay. Okay, there is my metallic cobalt blue. And you can probably see what I'm doing here. I'm trying to keep the darker blue towards the white side and the lighter colors. Okay, I gotta dry something in the tip of my bottle. Okay, this is Venetian Rose by Amsterdam. And then this is the Reflex Rose by Amsterdam. And then I'm going to do a little bit of gold. Oh, that one had a bubble in it. And I do have some white mixed up, so I'm going to put a little bit of white around it. But I'm not going to blow it over. Okay, there's some white. This is a little bit thicker than what was in the cup. Well, the cup was, I think, a little bit too thick, too. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of the black right here. Now comes the blowout. And I hope I can do this right, but we will find out together. I'm going to mute the hairdryer again. to say I'm very happy with what I see. I don't like that right there sticking out. I am going to do a couple of puffs with a straw on the edges. I'm going to have to say, I'm very, very happy with it, but I'm not happy with the thickness of the paint. So, let's see if I can get this up for a close-up. Sarah, thank you for the challenge. I hope everybody went to go look at her video by now. Okay, I'm going to have to turn it around because I am having a hard time showing the side closest to me. These handles are great, but my cords are in the way. Okay, there we go. So, tell me down in the comments, how did I do? Make sure you go, if you're watching the replay after the premiere, make sure you go and check out Sarah's video and tell her what you think of the challenge I gave her. Tell me what I can improve on, because I know there's a lot I can improve on. Thank you so much, Sarah Mack, for the challenge. Definitely out of my comfort zone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications to be notified of any upcoming videos. And don't forget to go check out Sarah's video, which, if we do premiere, should have went before mine. All I can say is thanks for being here, and I love you guys. You all are awesome. You're my viewers of awesomeness, and all I can say is bye for now.